The easiest way to create a project in Herald is to go to your home, and in this projects list, click on this plus button right here. Give your project a name. From here you can click Save, or you can give your project a timeline, so maybe starting in September and ending at the end of the month. You can give your project a description, or you can assign the whole project over to someone else. Let's click Save here, and this project exists now, New Campus. You can see in the navigation over on the left in Projects and Goals, there's a project called New Campus. If I click on New Campus from Home and my project list, I'm taken inside the project here and into the project overview. Right now there's nothing really to report. Herald expects that since the project started on the 1st and ends on the 30th, we would be a little more than 50% complete, and the project has not got any completion yet at all, so it's showing in the red here. Tasks can be added to a project by clicking on the plus button here from the task and project list. If it's a new campus, maybe we are finding the location. What else we've got? Let's put 3 tasks on here. We are building our team, and we are going to order stock. And you'll notice I didn't put any dates on any of those items. I can go in here, so let's say find a location. Let's say we started that on the 1st of September and we wanted to have that done by the 8th, and we were going to build our team in the middle of that, starting on the 5th, and we want to have the team in place by the 22nd, and we're going to order stock. Now that we've got our team in our place all sorted, we'll order stock on the somewhere between the 15th and the 30th. Obviously this is a very simplified version. So we've got a project. Right now the 3 tasks in the project are assigned to me. We can assign these tasks to anyone we like. We would do that by clicking on our picture, and let's say as the North American Regional Manager, we'll assign this over to Arden, and there it is there. I can make a comment on this that says, I don't know, see, I made that comment there for Arden. If I portal into Arden's account for a second, Arden will have received an email saying that he's part of this new project, and he's got a task called Find Location. And if he clicks on that project, he sees I made a comment on Find Location. He can add his own comment, or he can respond to mine. It's always important. And he could update the, let's say he's done half of the work towards finding this new location. He can update the percentage complete for that task there. If I now go back to my account rather than Arden's, and I go to this New Campus project from my home area here, and I click on it to get into it, I can see Arden's made this comment on the Find Location task. I can see that the project itself is now 16% complete. Maybe this team, well, I can also see the tasks and projects in a simple view if I want just a real simple task list. So maybe this build the team task is complete, and I check that off, and the overall gauge will update to show progress there. I can add tasks. Let's say on the let's say tomorrow there's something that I need to get done, so this is whatever a 4th task would be here. Just by clicking on the calendar, I've added that task, and it shows up now. And my project is now 37% complete because we've got this much completion happening over 4 tasks. We don't have to look at project overview. We can go and have a look at the list view. If we click up here in the top right hand corner and click on list, we can see our our project as just a list of tasks. And right now we've got filters that are filtering out any completed tasks. So if I change this to show me all the tasks in this project, we can see all of the tasks and their completion ratios, etc. We don't need to go and set up a dashboard, a specific dashboard for this project, because we can go to the overview view and see overall how we're performing on this project, and then we can see the different components of it. These individual components, by the way, can be, they don't need to be just tasks. They could be, if I go to my list view and look at my tasks here, let's say this order stock task. We wanted to divide that into smaller pieces. I can click on that, and so now rather than it just being a task, it's going to become a sub-project, and I can create tasks inside of it. So order housewares and order consumables. And now if I've completed, let's say I put in all the orders for consumables. Now when I'm looking at the project overall, I'm seeing that I've got 3 tasks and 1 sub-project inside, and the project itself is 50% complete because of the 2 tasks that were there. One is 100% complete and one has not yet had any completion. If I look at my project overview, I can see the tasks and the sub-project in this list right here. So that's the basics of how we put a project together in Herald.